What if your dream space already existed and you just haven't seen it yet? I walked into this one and felt it instantly. The light, the openness, the calm. This isn't just square footage, it's a fresh start. Whether you're relocating, downsizing, or buying your first place, sometimes the right space finds you. If something about this feels like it could be home, DM me, Dream Space, and I'll send you the full details. Or help you find one that fits just like this. I'm Ro Coleman, helping you build wealth one property at a time.